Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my updated foundation routine. So recently in my tutorials I haven't been showing my foundation because I feel like I do the same thing all the time. So now since it's updated, I decided to make a separate tutorial on what I do for my complexion. So if you want to see what I do to achieve my super glowy face, then keep on watching. Okay, starting off, I am going to be taking this Josie Maran Argan Oil and using it as like my primer. And then I'll be using the Fenty foundation today in the shade 385, mixing it with a little bit of the NYX liquid illuminator in the color Gleam, just to give me a nice radiant finish, because I personally am a radiant girl through and through. I do not like a matte finish. It's just not like my personal preference. I want to look like I drink 35 gallons of water, and that is just making my face gleam. So yeah, I just want to look super hydrated and glowy. So I'm just taking that, mix those two together, and I'm blending it on my face using my Real Techniques foundation brush. And watching, I think I was watching like Grown-ish. So good. And I'm just feeling myself because I'm looking a real glowy. And then I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Ultimate Coverage Concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and just taking it kind of closer to the socket or inner corner of my eye, because that's usually where we have the most darkness. So just brighten up the area there and in my inner corner, and then just taking the whatever extra product that I have on my brush and feathering it out towards the center of the eye. And then just taking down the side of my nose to give a natural contour, because wherever you have light there is going to be shadow. So I'm just gonna blend that in using another Real Techniques brush. I'm pretty sure this one in particular is supposed to be for eyeshadow, but you can use your brushes for whatever you want to use them for, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going back in with my Real Techniques foundation brush just to make sure my edges are nicely blended. I want to make sure everything is nice and seamless. Then we're going to add a little bit of warmth to the face, taking this Anastasia bronzer in Cappuccino, my absolute favorite, when I say favorite bronzer that I have ever come across. I like this one because whenever they made their bronzers, they made one that had a golden undertone, and they made also another one that had a red undertone, and you don't see that too much in bronzer, so that's why I like this one. And then I'm going to highlight my cheekbone and my brow bone using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Butterfly Beach, and then in K-Pop. And I think K-Pop was a limited edition when they had like a launch with Karrueche. So yeah, just doing that to give my face a nice glow, and that is the completed complexion. Alright, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy my updated complexion routine. It's pretty much I've been doing it for a little while now. If I'm not using my NARS Spread Intensive Moisturizer, which is my go-to, then I've been using my foundations that I've received at work. Because for the most part, I don't like matte foundation. I'm more of like a dewy, radiant girl, so I have to make do with what I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what your complexion goals are down below, or just say hi, or any suggestions of looks that you want to see next. And yeah, feel free to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.